You might want to share sometimes resources that may not be embedded correctly in your website. To do so, you click on Share, for example. You find the Share button in any application. Here I'm using Sway. So I will not copy the link for sharing, but rather I will copy the embed code. From here, I can get the embed code and copy it. And you can do the same thing on YouTube, Padlet, any other resource they provide you normally with the embed code. Then you go directly to your website. When you double tap, you choose embed. This time you're not pasting a URL code, you're pasting an embed code which is based on HTML language. Paste it over here and then just press next. So this does not require computer science work, but more like showing you how to embed an external source into your website. And then you add it over here. There you go.